ChatGPT is taking the online world by storm. Many regard it as a replacement for human-generated content. This would include writing code, blogging, and even ebooks. To many, ChatGPT is a boon because you do away with human effort when creating a piece of content. Many who can't write will use ChatGPT to create content, instead of hiring human writers to do it for them. All they have to do is ask ChatGPT the right questions and then copy and paste the answers. In other words, they'll pass off AI-generated content as human-generated content and be rewarded for it. This is bad news for editors, employers, and educators. To avoid the misuse of ChatGPT content, OpenAI, the creator of the tool, has come up with an AI classifier tool. This tool will help identify whether a piece of text was written by a human or was generated by an AI tool. Let's take a look at how the tool works. To use the tool, search for AI classifier. The description on the site says that the AI classifier is trained to distinguish between AI-written and human-written text. You may spend a few moments reading about the AI identifier. Note that OpenAI admits that its tool is not fully reliable. Let's go ahead and check how reliable the tool is. Scroll down and click on Try the classifier. If you already have a ChatGPT account, you may sign in with it. Otherwise, you may sign up for an account. Next, copy and paste the text you want the classifier to check. In our case, let's try a blog post written many months before ChatGPT came into the picture. We shall copy and paste the text into the AI classifier. Next, hit Submit. The result says the content is unlikely to be AI generated. Next, let's try content generated by ChatGPT. Let's now copy the ChatGPT content into the AI classifier. The message says the classifier is unclear if the text is AI generated. This is rather disappointing. OpenAI can't even determine whether the content generated by its own engine is AI generated or not. The conclusion we can draw is AI classifier is an unreliable tool when it comes to detecting AI content. Let's try another AI content detection tool called CopyLeaks. We shall copy and paste the ChatGPT content first. CopyLeaks accurately predicts that the content is AI generated. Next, we shall try the blog post. CopyLeaks accurately concludes that this is human-generated text. So, if you want a reliable AI content detector, you should use a tool like CopyLeaks.